1934। In May 1934, All India Congress Committee met Patna Congress Parliamentary Board to fight election under the aegis of Congress itself. Some part of member of All India Congress Committee held separate meeting and founded All India Congress Socialist Party. October 1934, J.P. Narayan, convener of All India Congress Socialist Party in Patna 1934. General Secretary Acharya Narendra Dev was president. The objective was to push the INC towards the clear socialist agenda, focusing on full independence, abolition of landlordism and nationalism of key industry. Its member were Ashok Mehta, Achyut Patwardhan. Bihar Socialist Party founded by Ganga Saran Sinha, Ramkrishna Benipuri, Ramanand Mishra, Sri Narayan Singh Narayan Azad Socialist. BSP. J.P. Narayan belonged to Bihar Socialist Party. J.P. Narayan, also known as Lok Nayak, organized Indian masses during the Quit India movement. Dr. Ram Manohar Lohia, Aruna Asaf Ali, 5 June 1947. He called for total revolution from Gandhi Maidan. He was awarded Bharat Ratna posthumously in 1999. April 46, Jayaprakash Day. Released Jayaprakash from prison. A rally conducted Bankipur Maidan of Patna. 1936, 21 businessmen of Bombay signed Bombay Manifesto. This manifesto propagating principle of socialism and conveyed by the Nehru in Lucknow session. First meeting of Congress Socialist Party held in Patna 1934 में. First session of Congress Socialist Party 1934. Consider the standing regarding the Congress Socialist Party. Congress Socialist Party consider the following. Congress Socialist Party founded 1934. Socialist caucus within the INC rejected that the anti-rational mysticism of Gandhi as well as the sectarian attitude of Communist Party. Prominent leader of Congress Socialist Party Acharya Narayan Dev. Congress Socialist Party 1934. Jayaprakash Narayan, Acharya Narendra Dev, convener of the Jayaprakash Narayan. Congress Socialist Party organized in 1934. Jayaprakash Narayan, Acharya Narayan Dev. Jayaprakash Narayan associated with Congress Socialist Party. Bihar Socialist Party J.P. Narayan. Bihar Socialist Party in 1931. फूलन प्रसाद वर्मा और J.P. नारायण. बिहार सोशलिस्ट पार्टी 1931. फूलन प्रसाद वर्मा. लोक नायक जयप्रकाश नारायण. जयप्रकाश नारायण ऑल्सो लोक नायक. जयप्रकाश नारायण लोक नायक. जयप्रकाश दिवस अप्रैल 1946. बॉम्बे मैनिफेस्टो साइंड 1936. ओपनली अपोज द प्रीचिंग ऑफ सोशलिस्ट आइडियल. इट इवोक्ड support from the large section of the business community from all across India. Provincial election and formation of cabinet 1937. On the basis of Government of India Act 1935, मद्रास में 159 सीट पे 215 में कांग्रेस. बिहार 98 में 152. सेंट्रल प्रोविंस और बिहार 70 112 में से. यूपी 134 228 में से. उड़ीसा 36 60 में से. कांग्रेस सिंगल लार्जेस्ट पार्टी इन बॉम्बे 86 सीट. असम एंड नॉर्थ वेस्ट प्रोविंस ओनली इन बंगाल और पंजाब. सिंस डिड कांग्रेस नॉट सिक्योर इनफ सपोर्ट फ्रॉम मासेस टू फॉर्म गवर्नमेंट इन इट्स own. Cabinet formed by Congress after 28 months. In July 37, 6 provinces Madras, Bombay, Central Province, Odisha, Bihar, UP with support of other party formed a coalition government in Assam. Coalition government formed Muhammad Sadullah in 37. Later rejoined Congress government led by Gopinath Bardoli took office in September 38. डे ऑफ डिलीवरेंस 22 दिसंबर 1929, गोविंद वल्लभ पंत प्राइम मिनिस्टर, विल कैलाश नाथ कटजू was law and justice minister. In which of the following province did the Indian National Congress not obtain a full majority in the provincial legislature election held in 1937? Punjab. Provincial government was constituted under the Act of 35. Congress did not win an absolute majority in the election of Legislative Assembly which were held under the Act 1935 Act. Bengal. 37. Congress secured a clear majority in a state numbering 5. British India and identify the INC did not form ministry in 1937. बंगाल और पंजाब. Province where the INC could not get absolute majority during general election 1937. Bombay. The provincial where INC did not form ministry after the general election 37. Bengal. In how many provinces was Congress ministry formed in the election of year 1937? 5. Madras, Central Province, Odisha, UP, Bihar. In which of the following province Congress ministry not formed under Act of 1935? Punjab. Tenure of Congress minister formed in the election 37 Act of 35, 28 month. After the formation of ministry in the province in 30, Congress ruled last for 28 month. Muslim League Day of Deliverance 1939. Elected government of Bihar formed by Sri Krishna Singh resigned in the February 1938 for which reason? For the release of political prisoners. In which working committee did Congress adopt the policy of abolishing land ownership? Working Committee 1937. Who of the following was entrusted with the finance portfolio in ministry under the UP after the election 1937? Rafi Ahmad Kidwai. Report connected with the Muslim grievance in the Congress administered province. Pirpur Sharif report Muslim suffering. Pirpur 38, Sharif 39. Fazlul Haq report 1939. First governor of Bihar Shifton. Tirupuri Congress. Tirupuri crisis of Congress 1939. Subhash Chandra Bose became the Congress president after being elected unopposed at Haripura, Gujarat. 1938. Subhash Chandra Bose defeated Gandhi's candidate Pattabi Sitaramaiah became the president second time at Tirupuri. Resigned due to differences between Gandhi on matter of formation and the working committee Congress. After Rajendra Prasad became Congress president. After Tirupuri crisis 39, Subhash Chandra Bose forward bloc resigning Congress president. Leftist ideology. When the cloud Second World War were hovering, Subhash wanted to advantage Britain and Germany after World War II. Sought freedom for India with the military blow to British government of India. He believed old saying Ireland, England's difficulty is Ireland's opportunity. That is why he tried to persuade Congress and Gandhi to take help of Britain in aiming to free India. President of INC 1938, Subhash Chandra Bose. Presided over the Haripura session of INC. S.C. Bose. Haripura annual session INC. Presidentship of Subhash Chandra Bose Earth is situated in the state of Gujarat. S.C. Bose, who chosen president of Congress in Tirupuri session of Indian National Congress in the year 1939, where is Tirupuri, Jabalpur. In which of the following INC Subhash Chandra Bose elected as president for the second time? Tirupuri session. On defeating which politician did Subhash Chandra Bose become the president of INC? Pattabi Sitaramaiah. President of INC Subhash Chandra Bose resigned in 39. Rajendra Prasad. Tirupuri session INC held in which Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose elected as President of Congress. 1939. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose became President of INC, defeating which leader? Subhash Chandra Bose defeated Pattabhi Sitaramayya, become the President of INC. Tirupuri session 1939. Who became the President of INC after resignation of S.C. Bose? Rajendra Prasad. Whole dispute between Subhash Chandra Bose and right wing after the Tirupuri centered around the question formation of Congress Working Committee, in which of the nationalist leader took upon war between Germany and Britain as a God-sent opportunity which should enable Indians to exploit the situation of their advantage. Subhash Chandra Bose. Indian princely estate. Butler Committee Kings selected Sir Leslie Scott as representative of Indian princes. December All India State People's Conference. Jawaharlal Nehru, President of All India State People Conference 1939. Most of the Junagadh and J&K, Hyderabad, all princely states joined the Indian Union except तीनों को. British government to independent dominion. Suzerainty over Indian state lapse. Princely state had decided to their accession, which ended Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, and political integration of India was largely achieved. Maharaja of Kashmir Hari Singh signed instrument of accession. On 5 March 1948, Sheikh Abdullah was appointed Prime Minister. Standstill agreement signed Government of India, Lord Mountbatten, Governor General, Viceroy, and the Nizam of Hyderabad Mir Osman Ali Khan. Purpose of Butler Committee: improvement relations between Indian province and Crown. All India State People Conference 1927. All India State People Conference in 1939. President Jawaharlal Nehru. Most of the integration of princely state in Union. Which year? 1947. Integration of a state was done under the leadership of Sardar Patel. Delayed accession of Indian after the other princely state had joined. Junagadh, Hyderabad or Jammu Kashmir. Jammu Kashmir became integral state of India 26 October 1947. Partition. At the time of partition, which one of the following British India came forward with a plan for united and independent existence? Punjab. Which one of the following native state was a party to standstill agreement? Hyderabad. During the freedom, parallel government launched in Indian state Kashmir, Nizam of Hyderabad, Travancore was Praja Mandal movement. Second World War. September 1939, Congress demanded independence of India for India's participation in war. Viceroy Lord Linlithgow. India into war without consultation for Indian people leader. Congress Working Committee announcement of objective of war also demanded India's independence after war. Congress poses the proposal of condemned attack Nazi on Poland, lasses ideology of Nazism and fascism. Not part of India could not be part of any war. Lord Linlithgow September 3, 1939 announced India will standing against Germany in the war. Without authorization of Indian Provincial Ministry, India's inclusion bar led the resignation of all Congress Provincial Cabinet. Second World War started with Germany attacking Poland on 8 September 1939. Ended after 6 years in September 1945. Neville Chamberlain 1937 से 40 and Winston Churchill 1940 से 5 British Prime Minister during World War II 1940 से 1945. Churchill tenure was the 1940 से 45 से 51 से 55. What was the policy of INC during World War 2. Cooperation of Britain in case of assurance of the complete independence. INC collaborated Congress minister in all the province resigned in the year 1900. Congress did not accept the decision of Viceroy to declare war against Germany in the context of Second World War. Congress minister in all province resigned in the year 1940 because British government had declared India as a war-torn country without consent of Indians. World War II ended 1945. Prime Minister of Britain during Second World War, Winston Churchill. Demand for Pakistan. Idea of separate homeland for Muslim and autonomous Muslim majority first proposed by Iqbal in Allahabad session 1930. Muslim League in presidential address. Pakistan first used by Chaudhry Rahmat Ali in 1933. Pamphlet Now or Never, Our Bill to Live or Perish Forever. This name was derived from 5 northern units: Punjab, North-West Province, Afghan, Kashmir, Sindh, Balochistan. From 22 से 24 मार्च 40 Muslim League held session Lahore, chaired by Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Separate Muslim independent state. Sarojini Naidu termed Jinnah as ambassador of Hindu-Muslim unity. Jawaharlal Nehru in his discovery of India. Jinnah is a politician, you are a patriot. Two-nation theory of Jinnah was accepted in Lahore session of Muslim League. March 1940. Proposal was drafted Sikandar Hayat Khan, presented by Fazlul Haq. 23 मार्च 1941. 23 मार्च 1941 celebrated First Pakistan Day. Word Pakistan for separate state for Indian Muslim. Chaudhry Rahmat Ali and his friend. Word Pakistan first coined Chaudhry Rahmat Ali. Idea of separate nation for Muslim was given by Sir Muhammad Iqbal, who among the following first put forward proposal for separate Muslim state in India. Muhammad Iqbal. Led mountain for the separate state Pakistan. Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Muhammad Ali Jinnah was ambassador of Hindu-Muslim unity. Sarojini Naidu. Nehru is a patriot, while Jinnah is a politician, made by Sir Muhammad Iqbal. Not a true about Muhammad Ali Jinnah. He always had diary. Supporter of two nations, presided Lahore session of Muslim League in 1940. Had not participated in national cooperation movement. Separate homeland for Muslim found for the first time a definite expression in presidential speech of Iqbal at the Allahabad session of Muslim League 1930. Pamphlet Now or Never, Rahmat Ali. Resolution demanding for formation of Pakistan was passed by Muslim League in the year of 1940. Pakistan resolution adopted by Muslim League in March 1940. Resolution for the creation of Pakistan is the Muslim League session of 1940. Khali-Khuzzaman. Pakistan resolution was drafted by Sikandar Hayat Khan. Muslim League annual session which gave effect to Jinnah two-nation theory held in Lahore. Muslim League had put their proposal of division of India in the session of Lahore. Muslim League celebrated the Pakistan Day 23 मार्च 1943. Chairmanship of Lahore session 1940 of Muslim League, Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Who raised cry divide and quit? Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Individuals.